In this Science Foundations review, we're asking the question, what are 6 forms of pollution? 6 forms of pollution include noise, air, water, land, thermal, and radioactive pollution. These can take lots of different forms. Some are caused by people and some aren't. Examples of noise pollution include things like vehicles on the road or a TV that's always left on in your living room. Examples of air pollution include things like car exhaust, or maybe a bonfire out back of your house or a burn pile burning. Examples of water pollution include things like putting too much fertilizer on your lawn and having it wash off into the local stream. Examples of land pollution include things like intentionally throwing garbage out your car window, or maybe even accidentally having it in the back of your truck and it blows out along the road. Examples of thermal pollution include things like factories that put out heat as they're producing their product. And examples of radioactive pollution may include things like spent fuel rods out of a nuclear reactor. We have to be really careful how those kinds of things are stored and treated.
You've been watching the short versions of Science Foundations. We have full lab videos that can be streamed on our Patreon page or downloaded from our online store. Use the links below to access them. Buy the entire set of 75 episodes of Science Foundations, or just one episode or season at a time as you need them. In addition to the lab videos, we provide you with accompanying educational resources, such as PDF fillable student study guides and teacher guides filled with glossary terms, study guide key answers, suggested home experiments, and field trip ideas. We're constantly adding new resources, such as coloring pages and word finds. We're here to help your students get the most from these great episodes. Get all of them on our Patreon page or our online store.